battery is right now. And television, so it has 19%, so I should probably be charging it right now. So I'll find the charger, get off my bed, get on the ground, found it. Oh, perfect. Oh, I remember this one. Alright, found the charger. Reconnect it though. Let's see. Oh, press that. Yep, it's charging now. I'm still listening to music, and my ears trying to hurt, so I'm gonna exit. My ears really trying to hurt. And, don't follow me. Stay like that. Little piggy. I have to where's that going? Hey, it's perfect. First time, but it's not. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm afraid of 12 minutes. I can't find a damn animation that I like. Oh my god. It just smells pretty. I was just looking at all of them instead of when my shirt just smells thinking I can't. Alright, I went through all of the animations on poses and did not like any of them. I guess. Wait, Steve, where is Steve? I don't know what I'm gonna. Oh, I wish I had a one diamond animation so I can buy it with my one diamond that I want over. Should probably say two. But being me, I am a dumbass. So, it's a magical bubble. No problem. Oh yeah, I remember this. On another account I used to have that I gave away. I had so many animations, I don't even know. Alright, so, how long is it gonna take me to find one exact one that I like? Honestly, I don't know. Would you look at that? The air is apparently Cinderella. Who would have thought it? Air, would you be my Cinderella? The air doesn't appreciate me. I'm just gonna buy this. I'm already done. I'm too bored. I just need a new animation. This is a blank. Not really, but animation. This look is on Freaky Dough. I'm about to give this girl a gift card. I wanna be